Lean protein as your diet is essential to weight loss and weight maintenance. Tuna fish is an excellent source of lean protein as it is lower in fat than red meats. Losing weight isn't about hunger, misery and crash dieting. By learning to make delicious, easy to prepare, nutritious food your body needs and will enjoy, losing weight becomes exciting and energizing. Instead of high-calorie, fatty sources, use spices to provide flavorsome, exciting meals your whole family will enjoy. Tuna patties with lemon dill sauce is another recipe in a range of hunger-fighting, low-fat recipes to assist you keep your weight under control. This irresistible, no-hassle meal will help you reach your weight loss goals, while making mealtime a real treat. Variety is an essential element of any successful health program. If you get bored with foods, you're much more likely to abandon your program altogether. Experiment with spices to find exciting alternatives, try new recipes and build your repertoire of quick home-cooked meals to replace takeouts, frozen dinners and snacks. Your body will love you and your family will be delighted. These tuna fish patties are delicious hot or cold. They are great for the lunchbox, just hold back the sauce. Ingredients: 1 12-ounce 350 grams can white tuna packed in water, drained and finely flaked 3/4 cup seasoned bread crumbs 1/4 cup minced green onion 1 egg 1/2 cup skim milk 1/2 teaspoon grated lemon peel. Lemon dill sauce 1/4 cup non-fat chicken broth 1 tablespoon lemon juice 1/4 teaspoon dried dill. Directions: 1. In large bowl, combine tuna, breadcrumbs, green onion, egg, milk, and lemon peel. 2. With lightly floured hands, form mixture into patties. 3. Spray a large non-stick skillet with cooking spray and heat over medium heat. 4. Cook patties until golden brown on both sides, about 3 minutes per side. Sauce: combine all ingredients in a small saucepan and heat over medium heat until warm. Add a small amount of flour and mix with a whisk to thicken sauce. Spoon sauce over tuna patties and serve. Makes 4 to 6 servings.